I'm going to teach you how to check someone's calendar availability in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning a meeting or just trying to find the right time to catch up, knowing when someone is free can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive into the process. First things first, make sure you're on your desktop computer. Head over to your web browser and open Google Calendar. It's usually accessible through the grid icon on Gmail, or you can simply type in calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll see your own calendar laid out in front of you. Shift your focus to the left side of the screen where you'll find the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where the magic happens. Click on this and you should see a little plus symbol next to it. Clicking on the plus will give you a drop-down menu. From that, select Subscribe to Calendar. This is essentially where you'll be inputting the email address of the person whose calendar you'd like to view. Now, when it comes to entering their email address, it's important to ensure that you have the correct one. This might sound obvious, but even a small typo can prevent you from accessing the calendar. So go ahead and type in the person's email address in the given field. Once you've entered the email, a couple of things might happen next. If the person has shared their calendar with you, it should instantly pop up in your calendar list. This means that whatever permissions they've decided to give, whether it's full details or just free/busy status, you'll be able to see. However, a little note here, if the calendar doesn't show up, it could be for a couple of reasons. They might not have shared their calendar with you, or perhaps you entered the wrong email. In such cases, it might be worth sending them a quick email or message asking if they can share their calendar with you. Now, assuming everything has loaded correctly, you'll see the calendar appear under your Other Calendars list. From here, the availability can be seen depending on their sharing settings. You might only see when they're free or busy, or you might be able to see the details of what they're up to. It really depends on how much access they've given you. And there you have it. You're now set up to conveniently check someone's availability at a glance. It's a nifty little tool that can really streamline your scheduling process, saving time and avoiding those dreaded email chains trying to figure out when everyone is free. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.